everybody, welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where inexpensive, entertaining videos are here just for you. We are going to learn how to wash dishes. And you know what? This is the greatest skill all of you can learn to help around the house and do your part in your family's environment to help keep your place clean. So here we go. I always use a pair of gloves because my hands can't stand the soapy water and the hot water. So I am armed and dangerous. Next, I put a little bit of soap into the bottom of my dish pan and I run the water and get a little bit of soapy water going. And because it takes so long for my water to get hot, I actually heat water up and pour it in because I want to make sure I kill all those germs that could be harboring all over my utensils and plates. So if you heat up water, please make sure an adult helps you to do that. Otherwise, just run your faucet on the hot water side and get it as hot as possible. Heat kills germs. All right, here we go. I'm going to throw in my utensils. I've got my sponge, which is kind of gross. I should get a new one. And scrub-a-dub-dub. Rub, wipe off all of the food particles that have been left on there, and then put it on the other side of the sink. We're going to rinse them all later so we don't waste water. Here we go, very gently. We are going to be doing the butter knife. And we've got a spoon. Rub, 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 scrub, scrub, scrub. Get all the nooks and crannies and top and bottom and the handle. Whatever food particles could possibly be on there. Now I'm going to gather up all of the utensils and I'm going to rinse them at once. All at one time. That way I'm not running a whole lot of water. And did you notice I turned the water on and then off again? Because we need to conserve water. All right, next, I'm going to clean this plate, of which I had a sandwich on. And I'm going to clean the bottom, and I'm going to clean the top, and around multiple times, and even around the edge. I'm going to put it in the other side of the sink. Again, for the same reason, we'll rinse all at one time. All right, here's the top. Here are the edges, and I'm going to clean the bottom. Now I'm ready to rinse. And I don't need to blast that water. All I need to do is put it on enough so the soap comes off. Look at that, shiny, sparkly clean. And I'm putting it in my dish drain to drain off all the water. Again, you see how slow the water is? Rinse, rinse, rinse. Look at that beautiful clean plate. And I have it now in the dish tray. That's it, folks. That's how you can wash dishes at home and help your family out by cleaning up after yourself. What a great lesson that we have learned today. And I hope you enjoyed it and you have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.